YouTube, what's up? It's Zach here. Sorry for not posting for like 2-3 months or whatever. I've been ridiculously busy, but I'm finally on vacation and I'm here at the Claridge, or not the Claridge, Claridge's in London. My first time out of the United States actually, and I just thought I'd show you guys my amazing room. So here we go. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up, especially if you want to see more videos of my whole European adventure. So let's go. Turn on the light right here. And when you check in, they give you flat sparkling water. We already drank the flat. Pears, 2 of these little raspberry shortbread things. I already ate one of them. It was very good. And if we go this way, we have the bedroom. And it actually is a deluxe king room. But my grandmother was here, so we requested for them to split the beds. And it looks like she has been here recently because there's an indent in the sheets. And we are on the top floor of Claridge's, so if you look outside, you have an amazing view of London. There we go. These windows are a little old, so like sometimes they get stuck and all that, but other than that, everything's pretty up to date and really nice. You have lights here. There's a ton of light switches. Honestly, gets really confusing. You operate the fan temperature and speed by pressing these buttons. And if you come over to the bathroom, it is ginormous. It is a deluxe room, so maybe that's why it's so big. You've got a bidet right here. I mean, personally, I would advise against it. Just saying, out of curiosity, I tried it and I'm not a fan. And then this toilet right here is very temperamental. If you are thinking about staying here and you get a toilet like this, you want to push down on that lever all the way in order to get it to work. Here we have a very deep bathtub, walk-in shower with a head, like a rainfall head or whatever they're called, some robes, 2 sinks. Over here is the closet area, and we have 2 closets. Here's one of them. This one's just like for hanging stuff. You have this closet, and the lights turn automatically when you open the door, which has drawers. You get a power adapter. I'm not sure exactly what these are, but I think it's for shoe shining. And you do have a safe. It's pretty small though, you can't really fit much in it. And you don't need to see my dirty clothes. Let's turn off this light. Lastly, if you come over here, you have a little desk area. That's me. Hi guys. You've already seen my ugly ass, so this is my bags or whatever. And I'm not sure where they put it. I think they put it in the bathroom. When I say they, I mean housekeeping. You do get a Dyson hair dryer when you come in. I just want to see if I can find it to show it off to you guys. Where did they put it? It was in here or somewhere, but you do get when you check in. I just don't know where they put it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this really quick just room overview video. If you wanted to stay here or wanted to find stuff out or just wanted to look into my life, hopefully this video helped or satisfied at all. If you enjoyed this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe. And if you didn't enjoy it, please do that. I would very much appreciate it and would hate it if you did not. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.